Hey, this is Anthony at Step One Ford Crestview, here to help you set up your phone to the Sync 4 system on the F-150 Raptor. First, you're going to make sure your vehicle's on or in accessory mode. Then you're going to go to your settings. You're going to go to Add Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
After she prompts you to do that, you're going to go to your phone. On your Bluetooth, you're going to search for Ford Raptor.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
After you confirm that pin matches, you're going to push Allow on your phone. You'll also be then prompted to enable 911 assist mode, and once you finish that step, your phone will be hooked up to your Sync 4 system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, my name's Anthony here at Step One Ford Crestview.